Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making shrimp cakes. You will need 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 3/4 cups of panko breadcrumbs, 1 scallion, 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. For the aioli sauce, you'll need 2/3 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. In a small bowl, add the garlic and 2/3 cups of mayonnaise. Now add the Dijon mustard, cayenne pepper, and black pepper. Add the lemon juice, mix, then set it aside until later. Now cut the shrimp into small pieces. Add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and your eggs. Add the parsley and scallion. Add the breadcrumbs and salt and pepper, then mix until well combined. Form them into patties and then set them aside. Now add your oil to the cast iron skillet and using medium-high heat, bring your oil to temperature. Fry your cakes for 2.5 minutes on each side or until they are golden brown. These shrimp cakes are easy and quick, and I really hope you give them a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To grab